Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to earn free Bitcoin fast in 2021. Be sure to watch all the video to not miss anything. I will share with you 4 websites that you can earn free Bitcoin in 2021. First website is Coinbase. What you need to do here, just when you are in the website, just scroll down. Here you will see the price for the cryptocurrency, and then you see here earn up to 35 worth of crypto. What you need to do now here, you need to learn about Balancer, BAL, and here you will earn $3. Clover Finance, and here you will earn $3. The Graph, and you will earn $4. Barnbridge, and you will earn $3. What you need to do, just click here, start earning. And just type here your name, last name, email, password, and then click here, create account. This is what you need to do in this site. The second site is OKX.com. In this site, you select the cryptocurrency you want to buy it. You have here different cryptocurrency. Just select which one that you want to buy it, and you will get reward on that. This is the second. Next, the third website is FetcherPoints.com. This website will give you gift cards or Bitcoin, and you can earn that by survey, cashback, and other. Here is the website, and just when you scroll down, you can see here win instant contest, scratch to win 50,000 points instantly. And here one of the way that you can earn by complete service, earn cashback, shop at your favorite stores and earn hundreds of dollars in cashback with Fetcher points. Stores pay you store base as a commission for sending you to them. Here's some of the stores: Gap, GameStop, Walmart. And download apps. Try free games and apps to earn points. That's a way to earn points by download the apps. And share with friends and earn. When you share the apps with friends, you will get paid up to 50% every time your friends earn points for life. The fourth site is Crypto.com. In this site, you will get a Visa card here, spend with Crypto.com Visa card. When you deposit in the Visa card, you will get up to 8% back from the deposit. Other thing here, grow your portfolio by earning up to 14% interest in your crypto assets. This video is how to earn free Bitcoin fast in 2021. I hope this video is helpful, and don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscriber yet. Thank you and see you.